Hello students, welcome to Bal Govindam Learning App. Today we are going to start exercises of chapter number 5. Here first of all you can say true false. The new king was a person known to the prime minister. Is it true? No, it is false. The king had brought two people who were fighting on the road. Yes, it is true. The prime minister was having cramps. False. The first courtier had a sprain in his ankle. False. The new king wisely solved the quarrel and returned the dog to the rightful owner. True. Now come to the next point, page number 43. Here you can see the vocabulary. Here are some idioms and you have to match with their meaning. Number 1, at the drop of a hat. That means instantly without any hesitation. Burn the midnight oil. It is to work hard. Cut corners. That means something done shabbily to save money. Far cry from. That means very different from. Piece of cake. An easy task. Okay. So these are idioms you can use whenever you are talking. Okay, now see at the down page number 43. Here very, berry. Here are some rhyming words. With, pith. Tree, free. Bed, fed. Fat, met. Okay, now you can turn the page. Here come at the page number 45. At the above of the page, at the top of the page, you can see here fill in the blanks with a, and, or the where necessary, otherwise put a cross. So let's start. There is dash apple here, and we will put before the apple and a banana in the basket. Okay, here student, you know, if the sound is vowel, the letter is giving a sound, vowel sound, so then we will use an, otherwise we will use a, and for the specified things we will use the. We have a very good library in our school. Anil is in the library. Here in above sentence we have a very good library in our school. It is a simply saying about library. Then it is here we will use a but. In the third number sentence, Anil is in the library. Here the mention or talking about that library where Anil is. Okay, which is in our school. So whenever things or words are specified, then we will use the, otherwise we will use a or an. And before any name we never put any article. Okay, so we here before Anil we will put the cross. The sky is clear now, but there was a big storm last night. Here the sky, because sky, moon, earth, for all these are heavenly bodies, and we will use the for the specified things. She has an egg and dash milk. Milk is uncountable noun, so we can't say a milk or an milk. Okay, so no article is here for breakfast every day. I meet him an hour ago. Have you ever been to Bangalore? Here also again it is a name of a place, and we can't put any article before any name of a person, place. Okay. Do you have a green pen? The cows eat dash grass. Grass is also uncountable, so no need of article. There is an ice cream cone in the freezer. Here the freezer is a special thing where we can keep the ice cream. So specified हो रहा है कि आइसक्रीम फ्रीज़र में है. So we will use the. Okay students, you have to do all the exercises only in the book. Thank you.